moving now, boy.
Yeah, she is, mate. We haven't broken past the speed yet, so...
No, we're nearly at speed limit. We've got 15 miles an hour to go. Oh, that's why, because I had my window down, is creating more drag.
Yeah. That makes sense.
It's not even that it broke the speed limit yet.
Yeah, it's nearly there.
Bro, my foot is hard down.
It's nearly there, it's nearly there.
No, but now we're going to catch up. It didn't.
Oh man, maybe next time.
Boys, if you want to do a top speed run in your Picanto, you might need the M1. Saves the blurring guys from the work, though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Drive it nice. No, just say it's mine. Just say it's my car, one I've bought.
Oh yeah, because it looks like the one you bought, you did get.
It came with the same. I rate this tune highly. What RPMs have I got? Huh?
This is gonna get copyrighted.
It's gonna get some hate, mate. Nah, they can't copyright that. Why is that actually no RPM car? Like, man to man.
You need to see how much fuel you got, you think.
Is that serious?
Yeah.
Whoa. Sorry, brother. Sorry, mate.
We're getting ways up.
I swear, you're that paranoid. I don't think we can break the speed limit. See your boy Picanto won. Highly requested vehicle, actually. Not sure why. What did you boys see in it that I don't?
They actually requested?
Yeah, Bearman requested Picanto. But I don't know why either, mate. This particular model's got
missing a bit of spec.
Missing quite a lot of spec today, yeah. Missing the service as well. It's missing the RPM counter. What have we got? Like spec wise?
Nothing.
Oh, we got no spec. We got leather oh no, we don't.
You have partial leather?
Nah, we don't have no leather. Oh, no, that's not leather, that's polyester, blood. That's worse than cloth.
Yeah, I think that's it.
So, boys, it's too early for rice box.
Where do you want to get the rice box from?
From Peeps. But I don't want it, it's too early. Do you want to go halves on the subway? Foot long, and then you have half, I have half.
Yeah, but everybody's going to want different in there, something.
No, not everybody, it's just what do you want in it? Chicken?
What, do you eat all the salad?
Lettuce and sweet corn and pepper. Wait, what do you have?
No, I have all the salad.
All of it?
Yeah.
What, onion as well?
Yeah.
Onion finishes your breath for 2 days. Nah, I care, mate, because I'll be listening to you. Even when I'm lip-syncing you.
No.
Nah, I'll be real, just firm, no onion. Subway? What else do you want then? Go on, you give me, at least put something offered to the table instead of criticising everyone else's.
Jim, chicken XLs.
You want chicken XL?
Yeah,
but it's too early. What time is it?
Lunchtime now.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna make me Lucky we're in the toilet. Lucky we're in a Portaloo, mate. What plate is it? This one?
I don't know, like 08.
Hey, this 2008? It looks older, I'm not gonna lie.
59.
Oh shit, my bad.
Yeah.
Okay, chicken XL for breakfast, no chips. Oh, you can't get XL with no chips in it.
Yeah, you have to have chips. You need carbs.
No, you won't carbs.
No, you need it.
What, very spicy carbs?
Look at my size, I need to gain weight. I've actually put on weight.
What, in a bad way or muscle?
I don't know.
Well, in a bad way then, yeah.
No, I can't tell you.
You can't even tell if someone's big or not because we all got coats on in winter.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, you know, this is a car YouTube account, innit? Don't be going me out. No, we need to give some, you know, we actually have to give consumerism. I'll say one thing I think is a good first car to buy. Go on then, go. I don't give a shit. He cares. He's actually really asked about this. This must have been the demister. Oh no, rear fog light.
That's there.
Oh, there. Where's the hazard? Oh, there.
Where's the hazard?
No, because it's usually there, innit? This is the rear fog light, mate. That's what that is.
What about these?
I'm not sure.
Nitro, whatever.
This one must be dynamic.
Ah, self-park.
The steering is so ugly.
It's not.
So what made you choose this vehicle when you was at the dealership? What made you hit the Picanto
really.
one?
I didn't really see any other with the same spec and price. So.
Boys, yeah, this is not the first appearance. This is the second appearance of the Picanto. I kept calling it Picasso. Oh, but last time you got some exterior shots. So this is what he saw.
Saw and felt.
Saw and felt. Saw after you felt. You don't like the hills, does it?
No. You know what I like the ride height.
What else can I review on this piece of shit?
It's not shit, man.
Would you lot rather have a bike or a shit car?
To be honest, You use your legs the same with a clutch like this.
Yeah, you do. You know, this is a bit of a quad workout. I haven't been to this Pepe's in time.
Pepito?
Bro, these lot are gonna think I'm a wily hanging out with you.
You go get the food. I'm just gonna make sure this guy actually has kids to be parking there.
Yeah, keep a lookout. Should I film him?
Yeah.
Film the kiddos.
No.
He doesn't seem very happy. What is he? What's wrong with him? Where's my burger? You got extra hot. Your poo's gonna be yellow. You know, the conversations I have with you are the same conversations I would have had with you a decade ago.
This is like good B-roll music.
Oh,
you got a hole in the videos. But you know what I'm gonna?
Oh shit!
Just hoover it up with your mouth.
Which white substance you on about? You've been Mother Hobbarts. Oh, shut down.
What do you call me? I went when I was a baby.
Look, I said it opened 2 years ago, cuz. Why are you lying for? What car are you after next? After the Picanto 1? Picanto 2?
There's a 4. So I'm gonna try to see if I can find it.
Nah, that's a big step. 1 to 4.
Because you're getting a brand new Picanto 4. Like 200 quid a month. That's nothing.
Isn't this one 200 quid for the buy it outright?
Mate, carry on with these jokes. And watch where it'll get you.
I hope you're liking the car review, boys. No,
Why'd you walk like you got
dildo in his ass? Do you remember when we went to Nasib's early in the morning? I shat so much that day.
Yeah, keep talking about poo after me.
Alright. I shat so much that day.
I'm out clutch control.
Mate, the clutch is under control. No, clutch control. No, that mirror is the fucking shittiest position I've ever seen it. Uncle's got a nice car, you know.
Do you want electric mirrors?
Do you want mozzarella dippers?
No, I've already got a cheesy dipper for you, mate.
Gee, sure, I'm trying to focus on the lane.
Is there a tyre shop down here actually?
No, we're not popping
PS4s?
in. Pilot Spot, they don't make them this small.
They do, trust me, I know.
Nah, trust me, I have issues getting small rubber. They never have my size.
Yeah, because there's a big difference between your...
Between me and extra small. I like the Sunstrip, it's good. It's a good I don't see that anymore.
Yeah, I went to Scotland to get that. Because they do everything properly.
What, from MRC Tuning? You went to MRC Tuning for Sunstrip? Yo, you've got the contacts for the wrong the wrong issues, mate. Now this is proper now. Look, this is how it's so if you buy a Picanto, this is what you see. Wait, look, everyone's got
No.
What's that?
That's...
Oh, it's Alto. Oh, same shit, man.
No, it's not. It's not mapped the same. Different driving.
Different tune on it.
Why have they got their display alloys outside in the rain?
Gee, it's always raining. What difference does it make?
Well, I'm just saying, if I was a customer, I'd not buy from them.
Yeah, but you don't need alloys. I fear you can't even get alloys on a Picanto.
Yeah, these are plates to be fair.
Your alloy days are finished.
I gotta go Halfords.
Why has everyone a retard in front of me?
Oh, like, he's got a convertible Golf. Yeah, it's like a M4 in it. The orange light.
Nah. Yo, nah. Yo, I'll be real. I don't think it is.
Trust me, it's just not mapped the same. That's my excuse for everything.
Yo, Saturday traffic is ass.
Yeah, it's probably because football. Wasn't, mate. Now, what if there was police there and they saw that?
They would have been about an eyelid, mate. Oh, it's for sale. A Pixar, 850 quid. Give him your burger.
No, I think our burger was £8.50, not £8.50.
Was that not what he said? £8.50? Pixar, come on.
Spin the car. Whoa, guys, please.
Relax.
Please.
I swear bear cars look like this, don't it?
Yeah.
Hyundai
Same
i20.
template.
The closer you get, the slower I go.
Oh, no, don't give away.
I wasn't going to,
You got
mate.
places to be, mate.
We got important shit to do, mate.
Sights to see. Roads to tear.
I hate the guy in front. I hate his stick. I hate his car. I probably hate his ethnicity, let's be honest. So that guy's a twat. This is good to cut through to work and back, innit?
Yeah. Got on fuel.
So yeah, I can see that, mate. Needle's not moved. Is the needle broken? You're a funny guy, you know, you.
No, I'm not.
Oh, it could be worse. He could be f***ing homeless. He ain't got a home. Oh, he's feeding his dog. What's he doing to
I
that?
don't think he's actually. I think he's doing something else with the dog.
Why is it?
Because last time we were here, we were in a green RS3.
And this time we're in a black Picanto one. You don't. This is what I mean. You don't know what we're.
Yeah.
You never know what we're rolling in.
Oh, wow! Turtle Beach.
Oh, the headphones.
Yeah, this video so shit.
It's because of you, mate.
Yeah, this does not look like the UK.
Innit? But you know what they say, import the third world, get the third world.
Whoa,
Sorry
easy
about
on
that.
The shock absorber.
Could have teared them a bit. Hang on, this is not my side of the road, mate.
I was gonna say we should do this more often. We should.
Nah, I think we should actually cut it out.
Yeah.
You asked me for the open road, this is it.
Yeah, no. I do like driving on this road.
Yeah, I love it. True, you get to engage with the car. What litre am I in? 0.9?
999 cc.
This might be the smallest one yet to hit my foot. Look, we're moving now, mate. What a fucking knobhead. As a man, how are you pressing the traffic light? Do you not think bad karma is going to come to you that you've delayed like 20 people's days? Look, now I'm getting dusted by everything.
That's my Brody.
It didn't really, I was struggling to.
Well, that's Saturday nearly over. And then back to a rat race.
Yo, I reckon they should ban the weekend, you know. No other plans then, mate. What you doing on your Sunday?
I ain't got enough fingers to count.
Nah, it's got a bit of punch to it.
Yep. I wonder what sharpeners they have to use for these.
I'll be needing a shit soon.
Shit suit.
No, I'll be needing a shit soon. Not shit soon.
Let's go to a Porsche garage and see if we can part exchange.
They might get a Porsche cop. Porsche merch.
Whoa, whoa!
Sorry. What a car, mate. If I say so myself. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yep.
Getting to experience it from Passy? Yeah, that's it, mate.